Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to perform keyboard actions using the Playwright. Okay, so for that I created one new file, keyboardevents.spec.ts. So if you see, like, I'm importing test from this Playwright test, and using this test I created one block, and this is my test description, and second parameter is the async function. So inside this I'm navigating to the one of the application roboticqa.com, and for that I'm using page picture here. So once I navigate to this website, I'm finding one search box, and inside this search box I'm filling some text, welcome to Playwright. Okay, and after that we will perform the different actions. I'll explain you how to perform all these actions. Like, if you want to press any key from F1 to F12, digit 0 to 9, key A to 0, okay, minus, plus, tab, delete, escape, okay, enter, home key. So all these are supported, and finally we are waiting for 5 seconds so that we'll be able to see the how it is performing the actions. So let me navigate to the application. So this is the application we are navigating, and once we navigate, we have identified this element. Okay, if you inspect it, is the input box, it has some ID, right? So this is we are taking, and here we are typing the welcome to Playwright. Okay, so this text welcome to Playwright will get typed here, and after that we will perform the different keyboard actions. So some actions you will be not able to see on the UI, but it is pressing on the keyboard. But we'll see, like, when we hit enter keyboard action, it should search the result, right? Okay, so let's start and see in practical how it works. So let me go to VS Code, and first we will cover press enter key. So how to do that? So for that one, so we'll take this one. Okay, so I'll just give some meaningful name, search box. This is actually a search box, right? And here, so I want to press on search box enter, right? So we will use the press method. So the method name is press, and inside this, these are the actions are supported. So basically this press accept the logical key name. Okay, logical key name, so which are emitted using the keyboard event property. Okay, so we can use any of this one. Plus, apart from this list, we can use the shift, control, alt and meta also. Okay, or even you can pass a single character like A, B, C, D, hash, dollar. Okay, all these are also supported. So let me put here enter. Okay, and this should press a enter key, but don't forget to add a await here, so that you will okay, so script will not fail. Now this is done, and let's me see how it work or how it behave when we are running the script. Okay, I'm running the command npx playwright test, then my file name keyboard events spec.ts, and then I'm passing parameter -- headed to see the execution also. So let me hit enter, and let's see, it is navigating to roboticqa.com. It typed some text and it clicked enter also. Okay, and search result for it is showing, right? So it is able to perform this one. Now let me check. I want to press dollar. Okay, so is it possible to press dollar? So let me use here search box press, and inside this one I will put a dollar keyword. Okay, so I'll just put a dollar, and let me run it again, and let's see what happened now. So it is navigating, it type Playwright, and it search also, and you see dollar is pressed, okay, on the search box. Okay, so that's how we can press dollar also. Let me press let's say minus key. Okay, minus, I want to press a minus key. So how we can do that one? Okay, so if you want to press a minus, what we will do? So again we will write await search box dot press, and inside this one we will put a minus. So if you go to this list, not a symbol, so we will pass this one minus. Okay, and let me run it again. So it will type enter dollar and press minus also. Okay, it's navigating. Okay, so sometime the Playwright will run very fast, you will not able to see the output. So you see it press enter dollar and minus also. Okay, so now we know. Okay, so we can pass any of these value there. Okay, so which are like logical key names. Okay, so next we will see if you want to press some alphabet, let's say B. Okay, so write await search box dot press, and inside this you can pass a single character also, let's say B. And now if I run this one, it will type that character as well. Okay, let's see, it is going to website and you see dollar minus B. Okay, I want to do this B with some combination, so shift plus. Okay, shift plus. Let's see what happened. So that's how we can press a combination also. Shift plus character or shift plus arrow or left arrow down. So you can combine also different keys, and you see again it is printing the B. Okay, let me press the tab now. So tab, I'll write here search box dot press, and in bracket I'll put a tab. Okay, and let's see, and after we press a tab again I want to press enter. Okay, after we press tab I want to press enter. So let me run it. So it is navigating to roboticqba.com. It typed Playwright. Okay, and it did that thing. Okay, it pressed tab and enter key, and it went somewhere else. Okay, it went somewhere else. Okay, so now we know like we can pass all these logical key names, so and the shift plus also. So apart from this logical key names, if you go through this list, okay, so what else is supported? Okay, so apart from this logical key, what else is supported? So you can use combination with shift or control or alt and meta also. So you can press this combination. So for example, so I'll just give the some of the example here. I want to press shift plus arrow left. Okay, so what you can do, use search box dot press, and in this bracket you will pass shift plus arrow up, okay, or arrow down. So if you see here arrow up, so this combination also you can perform using the Playwright. Okay, so what else apart from this we can do? Like we can press the combination of 3 keys also. Okay, I want to press Control plus Shift plus T. So this also we can do in the Playwright using search text box dot press, and inside this bracket you can pass Control plus Shift plus T. Okay, and this will also work.